Hey guys, how's your weekend going? Mine's going great. Just looking at this right now, seeing that SHIBA INU broke, deleted another zero in just the last few hours, and it's running up. It looks like just organically running up. No really news that I could see. I saw that in April that Elon Musk he switched the Twitter icon to SHIBA INU for a little bit, and seems like it's all organic. What's going on right here? And the last time it ran up, it was like this. It was back in October 2001. So it's pretty crazy. It could be on the same path. I don't know if you're holding from then or anything like that. Maybe you bought the last couple weeks SHIBA INU, so you're in a good position right now. And I have some, and it looks like from reading all the Twitter feeds and YouTube and everything else like that, it seems like the rumor they're trying to get it to a penny, and we'll see. Yeah, that would be really something. But yeah, that's kind of a wish more than anything. But we'll see how this run goes, and it's pretty awesome to see. So if you're holding it, it seems like you just hold it, ride the wave, and yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing, along with a little SHIB mining here and there that I have going on to collect some coins. But it's great to see, and I think this is just the beginning, the start of what could be happening in the next couple of days. It running up, and then all it takes is a few other people to mention it, and it takes off. Anything that Elon says, it jumps. So just keep an eye on it for this weekend and the next couple of days, and see where it runs. And I think we'll all be in good positions as far as that goes. And as always, these are just mean can't even talk today. Coins, Bitcoin and Ethereum are really the ones I follow. And so let's keep an eye on it, and it looks like it should be good things to come. And yeah, I mean, it looks like it started to jump up around like 5 p.m. yesterday and then took off last night. Yeah, like I was saying, this appears to be organic, and yeah, you never know. Any mention Elon talks about it, it could fly. We lost this 1-0. You never know. We could lose another one. It's a long way to go, but it's possible to get there. We'll see. It's like buying a lotto ticket in a way. But if you like this video, hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching. And this is my first crypto update, and we'll see where that goes, and have a nice rest of your Saturday. Take care.